Hello friends, today we'll discuss about features or advantages of Maruti Suzuki RITz ZDi. Before starting, make sure that you subscribe to our channel. Now, when you have done that, let's get into it. Maruti Suzuki RITz top variant comes with 3-way adjustable seats, which includes height also. Maruti Suzuki RITz music system supports iPod connectivity with aux input, CD and USB input, which also includes FM and AM. If you forget to charge your device, don't worry, your car will do your job. Not only front wiper, rear wiper also comes with water supply, so it's easy to clean the rear sheet. Top model of Maruti Suzuki RITz come with 15-inch alloy wheels, while rest of the models have steel wheels. Maruti Suzuki RITz VDI optional and ZDi variant comes with ABS braking, which is good for the security purpose. If your car is unlocked, then you can open the boot with your hand without using the key. Rear seats of Maruti Suzuki RITz are foldable, which increases the boot space 3 times. Top variant of Maruti Suzuki RITz come with 4 inbuilt speakers. Diesel variant of Maruti Suzuki RITz comes with turbocharged diesel engine, which not only increases the acceleration but also improves the mileage. While changing the lane on the highway, slightly touching the indicator blinks the indicator 3 times. Maruti Suzuki RITz have special space for keeping the slips as well as tissues. RITz also provides the special space for keeping the bottles inside the door. You can increase or decrease the volume, as well as you can change the track from the steering itself. Gearbox of RITz is even lighter than Swift, so it provides smooth transmission of gears. Maruti Suzuki RITz doesn't come with projector headlamps, but it has the fog lamps. During night time, by a single push, rear view mirror reduces the light intensity to protect your eyes. In RITz, both front and back headrests are removable for your comfort and convenience. RITz also have space above the glove box to keep mobile, cable, etc. Rear mirrors orientation can be changed with one hand within the car only with the use of joystick. Not only all windows are power, but you can control them with one button so that your kid can't open it.